Hey guys, it's 2:10 p.m. 15 seconds p.m. Melbourne time on Wednesday the 20th of June 2018. We're doing the divisions right now for the TC break for tonight. Random is live. Dice roll for participants. We're going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yoink. Copy. Save. And now, try the divisions. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That way, which has it. So Coulson has Central, which is Cleveland, Indiana, Milwaukee, Detroit, Chicago. Birch has Northwest, Portland, OKC, Utah, Minnesota, Denver. Hurley has Atlantic, which is Toronto, Boston, Philly, New York, and Brooklyn. Jacob has Pacific, which is probably the best one, with Warriors, Clippers, Lakers, Sacramento, Phoenix. Harrison with Southeast, so Miami, Washington, Charlotte, Orlando, Atlanta, and Darren Gibbs with Houston, New Orleans, Spurs, Dallas, and Memphis. And that is it. So we'll do a little print screen of that. We'll do this. Copy that. And that is it. We'll see you in a few hours to break.